Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah, just cock it one more time
Oh, okay.
to get the shell out. There you go. You're good.